please search and download the free app, YDisk, from App Store. Download and install it on your phone. Keep the 128GB USB 3.0 flash drive plugging into your phone and open the software. Faster transfer speed brings better experience, and password function protects your sensitive files. It is easy to copy pictures and videos from your phone to USB flash drive. Keep the USB flash drive plugged into the phone and start to play. Select the pictures in one-click backup to the device. Select the videos in one-click backup to the device. Now you can store pictures and videos on the USB flash drive. The pictures and videos are easily convert between your phone and USB flash drive. You can also take photos or videos on USB flash drive directly. Take the photos when you are playing with kids or traveling or celebrating. Take the videos directly on the USB flash drive can save room for your phone. What's more, you can watch video or listen music on it without internet. Save your favorite movies, TV shows, and music into the USB flash drive, so you can watch movies and listen music anytime, anywhere.